Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is the Fab Fit Fun Box Spring Edition 2019, you guys. Can you believe we're already here? Look at this box. It just screams spring. I love it so much. I need a little spring in my life. So I'm partnering with FabFitFun today to show you guys what you could possibly get in your spring box, and I just can't believe it. It is such a cool thing to be able to partner with them again. I feel so lucky, and I love these boxes, you guys. They're so cool. So if you haven't already heard of FabFitFun, it's a seasonal subscription box that you get every season if you are subscribed. So it is $49.99 for each subscription box that you receive. And if you have never received it before and you order it with my code below, you will get $10 off of your first box. And you guys, I think there's like at least $200 worth of product in each box. And that's crazy. So you totally get your money's worth. And each box has a different foundation that it supports. So you're giving back by buying this subscription box. This season is Ian Somerhalder Foundation, which is all about giving back to the pets in our lives and animals that need help, and which means such a great deal to me because we have 2 dogs, and recently our dog had a seizure for the first time, and that was like the scariest thing ever. And it just made me feel so happy to know that like our dogs have a good home, that we adopted them. So this month just means so much more to me than ever because it's like it just hit my heart. Really did. So anyways, let's get started. If you haven't already, go hit that subscribe button down below and like this video if you like this type of content, and comment below and let me know what other videos you'd like to see on my channel, because always so nice to know what y'all want to see. Let's get started and rip open this box and see what there is for springtime. Alright guys, I'm opening up my box, and first of all, I have to show you guys how beautiful this box is. Look at that colorful inside, you guys. That is beautiful. It's so nice to see color. Like, my heart is just so happy when I see these beautiful colors. It just gets me in the mood for springtime so hard. So you're gonna receive your FabFitFun catalog or magazine, whatever you wanna call it, and inside it's going to tell you all about the goodies, and you're gonna see more information about like the foundation. So for example, this is the Ian Somerhalder, I can't say his name. Ian Somerhalder. I used to have like a major crush on him watching Vampire Diaries, you guys. Oh my gosh. They talk about his foundation inside of here, which is the Ian Somerhalder Foundation aims to empower, educate, and collaborate with people and projects to positively impact the planet and its creatures. So it'll talk about that, and then there's also just other information in here. And I think I even saw, yeah, Venus Williams, which you guys, my dogs are Serena and Venus. So the first item that I'm pulling out is a jump rope from Venus Williams, you guys. Wow, okay. Let's see. Okay, so this is called 11 by Venus jump rope. And this says, ready to up your fitness game? We partnered with tennis star Venus Williams to create a high quality jump rope that will help you take your workouts to the next level. And oh my gosh, you guys, jump roping is so hard. That is like a huge workout, and this is valued at $15. It says, check out FabFitFun TV for exclusive jump rope workouts with Williams. That is so cool, you guys. I need to take advantage of this because I need some major help in the health and wellness department as far as exercising goes. Well, as far as everything goes, actually. Let's be honest. Ooh, okay, what's next? Ooh, what is this, you guys? Okay, so this is Libido inspired by nature. It's an aromatic body lotion, mandarin orange and bergamot. Oh, I was gonna read it in another language. Okay, so this is the aromatic body lotion. It looks like this, and I cannot wait to smell this because, you guys, usually these things smell so good. Just taking off the little metal protector. I can't really smell. Let's just put a little bit on here. Why can't I smell it? What's wrong with me? Ooh, oh, I just got it on my nose. Okay. That was a blooper. Oh, wow. Yep, that smells really fresh. Like, super fresh and not artificial whatsoever. That is amazing. It smells like you just opened up a piece of fruit and like rubbed your skin with the peel. Oh my gosh. That is amazing. Okay, so this one is hydrates, nourishes, and protects. This deliciously scented citrus body lotion is You guys, I can't talk. Is dermatologically tested and formulated for all skin types, and this is valued at $19, you guys. It says massage onto clean, damp skin until absorbed. Ooh, oh yes. Okay, this is from Dr. Brandt. It says, needles no more. No more baggage, honey. Eye depuffing gel. Yes, mama needs this desperately in her life. Okay, okay. Ooh, this must be the mystery item. This is, what could it be? A palette, body cream, or maybe a trigger ball? We love a good mystery, and we promise that it's a good one, so it's worth $20. That's what I'm seeing here anyways, because I don't see it on this book at all. So, oh no, you guys, it's totally not. You guys, seriously, I got to get it together. Okay, this says, visibly reduce the look of under eye bags and dark circles with this breakthrough solution. This is worth $42, you guys. So basically, if you were to buy this one box, practically, you would get the entire box full of all the other stuff with it. That's amazing. It says, don't be afraid of the salmon shade. It's meant to color correct dark circles. Use your ring finger to pat a pea-sized amount directly on your eyes. I cannot wait to try this. This is going to be so good because I always have circles under my eyes, especially as I get older, you guys. Ooh. Okay, so this is what they're talking about. So it is like an orange color kind of, and so yeah, this is definitely going to help correct those under eye circle colors, so that's a good thing. That is going to be so good, you guys. I cannot wait to include this into my daily routine because I need it. Ooh, you guys, Korres Wild Rose Vitamin C Brightening Sleeping Facial. I've never used brightening sleeping facial before. What? So you use this and you sleep in it? Whoa, that sounds amazing. Okay, this says, hydrate and brighten your skin. This weightless souffle contains vitamin C, turmeric, which I've heard amazing things about, turmeric extract, and hyaluronic acid. This is $48 normally, you guys. Hyaluronic acid. Yes. Oh my gosh. I have to open this up and see what it looks like. Oh my goodness, you guys. And this is going to be amazing. So you put this on at night, and in the morning, your skin is going to look more radiant. Wow, this is like made out of glass. Look at this. Look at how chic, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells like roses. Okay, I'm using this tonight, and I'm gonna wake up glowing and gorgeous. The next time you see me, I'm gonna have no circles, and I'm gonna have glowing, gorgeous skin. Ooh, $48. That's crazy. Like, I'm so excited about that. Look at this, you guys. This is huge. What is this? Champagne charcoal scrub, exfoliant champagne. Whoa, that is huge, you guys. This looks amazing. This is the Mana Kadar champagne body scrub, formulated with charcoal and dead sea minerals. The luxe and gentle body scrub removes dirt for polished, hydrated, and refreshed skin. This is worth $24, you guys. The tip is apply evenly onto the body while gently massaging the skin, then rinse. Hello, this is perfect for all of your fake tans, you guys. How amazing is this gonna be? Oh, it's got the protection on it. This is crazy. This looks super luxe, you guys. I can't even open this thing. Oh my gosh, open up. Always make things hard to open for me. I'm gonna end up breaking nails and stuff. Oh my gosh, you've got to be kidding me. Okay, I've got it somewhat open, but then it's got like that thin layer of plastic left on there, so I think I'm not doing this right. Oh! Oh, I think it just sprayed on me somewhere. It's on me. It's opened up a little bit now. Okay, there we go. Whoa. Wow. That smells really good though. It was strong at first, but it smells really good. Look at it, you guys. This looks crazy. Look at the packaging. The packaging is so cute. And it's like rose gold. What's next? I'm so excited. It's like never ending. Oh my gosh, I needed some. This is a leave-in conditioner, you guys, from WayWay. I don't remember how to say that. I've heard this brand before, but I sound like total, what do you call it? Brain fart, whatever. There's a bug? No. No. There is a bug on my light. And I'm out of Kleenex. Okay, I'm gonna have to use this. Die. You guys. I hate bugs. Back to where I was at. Okay, this is a leave-in conditioner, you guys. Obsessed with this multitasking leave-in conditioner. It works like all day to smooth. It works like all day. It works all day to smooth, soften, and detangle hair with moisturizing properties and enhanced heat protection. Ooh, this is worth $26, you guys. Wow. I needed one of these. I was like literally not even kidding. I needed to go and buy something like this. This is more luxurious than something I would have purchased though, just to be honest with you guys, because this is luxury. Ooh. I'm loving all the scents. They're just so like light, they're not overpowering. I cannot wait to try this in my hair. Too bad I washed my hair today and I have to wait to try this. Look at what I got, you guys. This is called Sip by Swell. Sip in style by reducing single-use plastic consumption. Whether filled with a hot or cold drink, the stainless steel water bottle is insulated to keep your drinks at just the right temperature. This is worth $19.99, and you guys, this is like my favorite color next to pink. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Wow. I am so excited about this. I've never had a Swell before. I have had like something similar to this, but this is like Swell. No, this is amazing. Look at this color, you guys. It's a beautiful mint green, and it has like navy and, or is that black? And little white triangles on it, and it's so cute. And then it has the brand name down here. So that is so cool. I'm definitely going to be using that, especially in the summer if like I'm taking the kids to the park or whatever. I love to have drinks just with me all around the house anyways, so I'm always about that. Okay, this is the last item, you guys, and it looks like a pretty big one, like really big. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so, I can't even believe this. This is crazy. Look at this, you guys. I'm like, what? This is like, I feel like this is Christmas. This is why I love this box, you guys, because I literally feel like a kid at Christmas time. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh my gosh. This is a backpack, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my goodness. Okay. This is called Luxe Demi Backpack. Keep your belongings safe and snug in the cutest canvas backpack. It features adjustable straps, a top handle, and a post closure, making it the perfect bag for all of your spring travels. Oh my gosh, this is worth $75, you guys. Oh my goodness. This is going to be so perfect because this spring, in April actually, I'm going to a bloggers event in Houston, and oh my gosh, this would be like a perfect bag to take with me. This is so chic, you guys. I cannot even describe how cute this is. And I really don't have a lot of black stuff because I'm more of like a brown leather type person, or like just more lighter colors and that sort of thing. So I've been wanting some more black pieces that I can mix into my wardrobe, but I love the fact that it's still with this light color because I wear more light colors. But look how cool this is, you guys. Okay, so it just opens up like that, and then ooh, inside it gives you care instructions, but the inside is black. But it looks like a pretty good size. There's like a little pocket right here. And just the lining can come out like that, so you can shake all your crumbs out, which is good. Crumbs, me, oh my gosh. Okay, I'm totally always thinking like a mom. But you guys, like, this is going to be so easy to travel with on the plane. Wow, this is so cool. What are these buttons for? Ooh, okay, or snaps. So you can snap the top here to make it a little bit more narrow, I suppose, and more like a backpack style. So when you close it, it does have more of a backpack type of a look right there. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe I got this nice bag, you guys. $25 normally. That is insane. I cannot believe that. Your total box value, I will put here for my total box value, but for the total box value of the boxes that you could get are $226.99 to $314, you guys. That is huge. Like, what a great deal. Oh my gosh. And then I'm seeing all the other things that you could get. Dang. That looks like I want everything. And you can have a chance to win a trip. Oh my goodness. A chance to win a trip to the Melia Punta Cana Beach Resort. Oh my goodness, you guys. That's crazy. I am totally doing that. I want to win a trip to Punta Cana. I've never been. That would be so cool. Oh my goodness, you guys. All right, that is all that's in my FabFitFun spring box. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing everything that I got. I cannot wait to use everything. It all looks so luxe and amazing. Oh my goodness, I got tons of good skincare, you guys. I'm really excited about this because I love having good skin and less makeup in the summertime especially. So being able to like nourish my skin and make my skin look and feel better for the spring and summertime, so I can be outside and not really have to wear as much makeup, makes me feel so happy. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and seeing everything inside of my box. I hope you guys get a chance to go and subscribe to your own FabFitFun box. Let me know down below if you guys do sign up. Don't forget, I do have that coupon code that I will give to you down below, as well as a link for you guys to go purchase your FabFitFun box. You guys will love it. I'm not kidding you. If there's one thing that you treat yourself to this year, I totally think it should be the FabFitFun box, because you will definitely get your money's worth and you're always supporting a good cause, which is amazing. I am so thankful that I was able to partner with FabFitFun for this box, because I love showing you guys these, especially because you love watching them. It makes me feel so good when I'm able to make a video that you guys love to watch and I can see how much you guys love it. So anyways, don't forget to go hit that subscribe button below, like this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!